Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing guys how to get 60 FPS for Fallout 4, and let's get started. So something to keep in mind is that this will only work for the PS5 version, and I'm pretty sure this does not work for PS4, and this is because, anyways, so if you want to get 60 FPS, you have to make sure you have the PS5 version of Fallout 4 downloaded and not the PS4. If you download the PS4 one like I have right now, I'm installing the PS5 one. Put in the Fallout 4 PS4 one, it will be capped at 30 FPS, and you're not going to be able to turn on performance mode, and you're not going to be able to play on 60 FPS. And if you might be wondering like why this happened is, if you game shared it, from a different account, whatever, you might have accidentally downloaded the Fallout 4 PS4 version and not the PS5 version. And yeah, that is basically like, why you're not able to get 60 FPS. So again, just download the PS5 version. It should say right here. And yeah, that is basically it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.